My name is Tamara Maciel. I'm the Program Director for the School of Anatomy at the University of Waterloo, and I use SignUpGenius almost every day in my work. I use SignUpGenius to help manage a few challenging areas of my role. On one hand, as an anatomy instructor, I use SignUpGenius to have my students sign up for individual appointments when they need help or when they need to look over an exam. It allows me to set very specific time slots and locations, and I can set different times and locations for my grad teaching assistants who help out with some of these appointments as well. That's been really helpful to have all of that in one spot, and so the students are not having to navigate different calendar entry systems. I also host some outreach events and run some volunteer programming in the lab that requires a lot of volunteers and a lot of management. And so SignUpGenius allows us a place to store all of that information and have students sign up for the days and times that suit them and the roles that are appropriate for them. SignUpGenius allows me to collect information about those volunteers, such as their skills, their preferences, t-shirt sizes, some things like that. I just find it to be such a powerful tool. SignUpGenius takes away so many of the organizational headaches that I might face if I had to recruit volunteers and schedule them individually. SignUpGenius takes away so many of the organizational headaches that I might face if I had to recruit volunteers and schedule them individually. So I just find it to be such a great tool.